meaning that your research project will take another 2 years to complete.
Something like that. It is actually being completed sooner than I thought. Generally, this type of research lasts upwards 6 years. I am lucky enough that certain flexibilities were afforded me. After that, I'll be able to work remotely, but I'll have to attend lots of conferences.
Are the conferences the types that last weeks? Like 2 years ago? Remember that we had a baby on the way.
Two gang members died in the process. Meanwhile, the National Police of Haiti is looking for a couple of suspects, who allegedly fled to the countryside, after a shootout with the police a couple of hours ago, according to the National Police spokesperson. In other story, the Grenadiers U-14 defeated
I think
Puerto
this is it for
Rico
one.
2-0
I need a
to
break
win
from the gang
Caribbean
violence in
Football
Haiti.
Championship
I am going
2
to spend a
years
few
in a
months
row.
with my relatives in
Congrats to the
Switzerland.
Grenadiers.
I wish you could come along, as you deserve a break as well.
Emily Sherry, as you already know, my research contract terms prevent me from taking long breaks. You can go. I'll come spend a few days with you from time to time. I hope that's okay with you, Sherry.
Awesome. This is such a busy strip. I love coming around here.
I have not received any update on the order and delivery. Can you please check for me?
Hey, let me check for you. I am gonna put you on pause for 1 minute.
That's fine.
Thanks.
I just checked. It was delivered 5 minutes ago. Check the side door.
I just received a text with the update. Thanks a million.
My pleasure. Please stay safe and healthy.
Wow, it's a little dark outside. I have not checked the weather forecast today. Is there impending rain in the forecast?
I did. And there is rain in the forecast. Wow, this yellow Hummer was practically flying. Let's be extra careful here.
Oh, okay, this car is turning. Let's cross here. I hope no other vehicle comes flying while we cross. Sherry, let's cross fast before another one comes.
Greetings from Mercote, Switzerland. Because of the 6-hour time difference, I hope I am not reaching you at a bad time.
Oh, not at all, and I am glad you called. How are you, my Sherry?
Well, everything is okay, and it's a little too cold for me here, and I miss
really
you.
miss you a lot, Sherry.
I really miss you.
Can't wait to see you.
I have been here 2 months, but I think I am returning to Haiti. I hope you've been eating well.
Yeah, I've been. Nothing like my Sherry's cooking.
I am about to grab something to eat myself. Talk to you later. I love
Bon
you.
appetit, Sherry. I love you too, Sherry. Kiss, kiss. Sherry. I hope you had a great flight. By the way, on my way here to pick you up, there was an apparent police operation on Delma's main road to the airport. I hope it's over, so you can get home quick and relax.
In fact, I just checked my shopping list and found out that it is incomplete. Can you please update it? Yeah, I am at the grocery store. Thank you.
In Haiti, gang violence continues to claim many victims, and residents continue to flee the infested areas.
By the way, I really love dessert. Thank you. Regarding stability, and with the surging waves of gang violence in Haiti, I think that Boston, Massachusetts will suit us well. Maybe that I can receive support during my transition from IFC.
IFC, you say? What is it?
I've researched, and found that IFC is a Boston-based organization that assists immigrants with their adjustment needs.
Cherie, I'll support you with all your endeavors, and I promise to visit with you on a regular basis until we live together again.
Gather round, friends. First off, I thank God for His guidance and His love. Also thank every one of you for having been a part of my life, and a part of my successful 2-year journey. I wholeheartedly thank you and express my gratitude. Every drop in the ocean counts, and I would never forget those who helped me sail through troubled waters, for they deserve a part of this reward. Moreover, I would like to thank the staff at IFC for the tremendous support they provided to me throughout my journey. IFC, spell I-F-S-I, is short for Immigrant Family Services Institute, Incorporated. IFC's 4 pillars are integration, education, advocacy, and community. In summary, IFC provided me with all the essential resources that made me successful today. That being said, please connect with IFC for success. For your convenience, IFC's website URL is https://ifsi-usa.org. IFC's telephone numbers are 617-322-1348 and 857-251-9806. IFC is located at 1626 Blue Hill Avenue in Mattapan, Massachusetts. Please donate and volunteer for the common cause. Now it's time to party.